Oh, I can't resist this hot day. Popeyes has some of the best sweet tea I have ever had. So usually Popeyes is really slow. So I'm going to make the person behind me's day because I'm not ordering chicken, I'm not ordering biscuits. I'm ordering a sweet tea. That's all I'll be getting from here.
I don't know. I'm asking. How long that chicken before it come up? Hold on, give me 1 second, please.
Okay, no problem.
What you order, please? I'm sorry about that.
Oh, no problem. Can I just get a large unsweet tea, please?
Large unsweet tea, okay.
Yes, sir. Do you have Splenda or Sweet and Low you can put in there?
What you want?
Splenda or Sweet and Low?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. So I know in some places they have tea time. Every day is a way to take a break, have a spot of tea. Today, my tea time is going to be right here in the Jeep, drinking me some good Southern unsweet tea. I was hoping they had my favorite sweetener, which is Splenda, but instead they have the traditional Sweet and Low, which is okay. I prefer the Splenda, but the Sweet and Low will do the job. Looking forward to it because it is hot. Very hot here in Florida today. There's my unsweet tea from Popeyes. And I'm going to be putting my artificial sweet. There we go. There you go. Little carcinogen, little flavor crystals there. Back in the day, I don't know if it's true or not, but they said that Sweet and Low caused cancer. A little bit more flavor crystals. Mixing it all up. Gonna get the Sweet and Low in there just right. Cannot wait to get into this tea. Wonderful. The best tea in the world. Popeyes. You saw me enjoying that wonderful, wonderful Louisiana iced tea. However, when I pulled up to the window, the nice young lady said that will be $3.73. She actually didn't say it that way. She said that'd be $3.73. I said, ma'am, I only ordered a unsweet tea. I didn't order any biscuits or chicken or anything. And she said, oh, that's how much our large tea is now with taxes. So I don't think I'm going to be visiting Popeyes. I do not know when the large tea went to $3.73. If it was $1.99, I probably wouldn't have said anything. But at $3.73, that is a lot of money for some water and a tea bag. Now, I have a teapot in my office. I am a connoisseur of tea. I love tea. But for $3.73, I think from here on out, I will be waiting until I get home to enjoy my tea, or to my office to enjoy my tea. And I'll probably start bringing tea to go on a hot day. There you have it. So Popeyes, unless I'm in a pinch, that is the last unsweet tea I will be purchasing from your establishment. Please slightly lower the price and I will be back to purchasing unsweet tea. But until then, I'm not paying $3.73 for some water out of the tap with a tea bag dipped in it.